Good morning, unit gang. What's up? It's been a minute. It's your girl Dej, and I'm back with another banger video for you guys today. Y'all peep the lighting though. Okay, girl, get ring lights. Okay, so we ain't take now. Anyways, today we're going to be making a hair tutorial video. You guys love those, so we're gonna be doing that today. It's a style that I've never tried, so this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna insert a picture someplace on the screen, maybe right here, of the style that we're gonna do today. And before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you aren't, welcome back to the unique guy. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's hop straight into it. All right, y'all. Boom. Me ain't even putting in no intro this time. Look at the products we're using. Shining gel. Let me just open this hair real quick so you can see how it look. Boom. You know, this one have a more softer, liquidy texture. Boom. Okay, cool. Next product we're gonna be using is the red one, Aqua Wax. I know this is one of my favorites right now. Okay, this one is a little bit more thick in consistency. So let me just show y'all. All right, boom. We love it. We love it. Don't forget you're gonna need some scissors to clip them braids. Definitely some clips, metal clips, clamps, whatever y'all want to use, duckbill clips. And we started on freshly washed and blow dried hair. Boom. Now you will see me parting out the middle of her hair. So we did a ponytail, so obviously you don't want any tension in the middle of your scalp. So what I do is I draw a little circle in the middle, you feel me? Then I split it into 4 parts, and each part is going to have a knotless braid. Here you see me braiding on the first knotless braid. And of course, I hate boring you guys, so we're just going to fast forward real quick. My client wanted a heart on the side, so right now I'm just prepping the heart. Parting the heart is always the hardest part for me as a braider, because like I'm a low-key perfectionist. Like I want my heart to come out perfect, okay? It definitely took me a minute to part out this heart. I swear to you, it took me about at least 15 minutes just to make sure that my part was perfect for this heart, because child, let me tell you. So after 15 minutes of parting and reparting and applying product just to make sure that the lines will line in, I finally got the heart. Now I know to you that don't look perfect, but wait till I done braid it, man. Wait till I done braid it up. Here's a better angle. Okay, you feel me? Great. So let's start this heart. We're gonna part down the middle. Make sure that your part is neat. If you have to apply product, you do so like I'm doing here. You apply the product and repart that middle right there. Make sure it lines up with the point. At the top corner of the heart, you're gonna part down towards the middle. This is going to be the point of your heart. Grab a clip, roll that up, tuck it away. Boom. So we're gonna do that to the next side. Same rules apply. Part it down towards the center. Make sure that they line up. This will give it a clean, neat look. Tuck that away as well. Having done that, now I'm going to apply my product to both sides of the sections, comb it through, and then we're going to begin to braid. In order for your braids to come out as natural as possible, you're going to start with the person's natural hair. So I part off a really small section at the point, and I'm going to go ahead and start to begin to braid that section. I am stitch braiding this entire heart, so you'll see me doing that. My pinky nails are actually filed in a point, so that way I don't have to use a comb to stitch. I'll be using my nails. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to stitch braid, I do have another on my channel, so please do check out my channel for other tutorials. Once I've reached to the corner of the heart, I'm going to begin adding in some extension here. Now this is just going to keep it nice and neat, but still adding a little thickness and fullness to create that natural look. Ladies and gentlemen, please forgive me. I'm still not good at camera angles. It's gonna take me a minute to get the right angles, y'all. I'm a new YouTuber, okay? I've only been on here for a year, so allow me to make mistakes. What you do on one side, you must do to the other. So let's get into it, y'all. Okay, boom, fast forward. Let me finish up this hat. And now for the back. Let's get into it. My client gave me a little bit of flexibility with his style and told me I could add my own touch to it and freestyle. So decided I want to put in my own little flavor to this hairstyle, and I decided to put a heart in the back instead of one cornrow braid. Off camera, I parted out the heart that I wanted. Now I'm just going to put the rest of the hair up and out of my way, and then we're going to get into the braiding. The same steps that I used for the first heart is the same steps that I'm using for the second heart. The only difference is I made my point a little bit shorter in the back because I wanted it to look a little bit different from the other one. Also, this heart is not straight, it's on a slant. And yes, it was done on purpose. I'm the kind of braider that likes to be different, hence my YouTube channel name, Beyond Unique. So although I may mimic a style that somebody else have done, I like to put my own personality into it, and I like to do things in a way that represents who I am and the uniqueness of my personality. Honestly, I was so excited to do this style because I was like, oh my god, it's something I never did. Like, you know, trying something new is always fun and exciting, you know. And of course, when somebody tells me to freestyle, I freestyle, okay? Simple yet unique. Braiding is a form of art. You can be so versatile when it comes to braiding and just lose yourself in the craft, you know. So I really love it. I really love braiding. Look how pretty my heart look are you. And some of you may know, some of you may not know, but I've been doing this since I was a kid. For the rest of this video, I'm not going to be talking as much. I just want you guys to watch me work. So check this out real quick. All right, y'all, so the braiding process is over. Now I'm just applying some mousse. I did spray some, got to be sprayed before I did that part. And now we are about to dip. So I got my hot water. I'm going to start by dipping the ends first, then going all the way up as far as I can. Period. Gonna dip that in there. Grab your towel, put it behind there, and you're just gonna slowly guide that water down the hair. Then what I like to do is pat the hair onto the towel and just shake it and just let it flow. Then I gently the towel down with the braids, and this makes the ends super straight. Of course, it's not going to come out straight the first time, as you see. So I go back in and I re-dip, and then I grab my towel and do the pulling motion again. Purr! Before y'all see the final results, please like, share, comment on this video. Tell a friend to come over to the Unique Gang. And without further ado, bye-bye! Look at this, guys. Like, I did that. Like, period. Okay? Period.
And that's on what?
Period.